Hi, Pat here. I have a Pioneer stereo receiver, model SX750. This stereo was built in 1977 and is rated at 50 watts per channel. This stereo is in really nice shape. Hardly a mark on it. The top looks good. Both the sides are in really nice shape. And the back looks good. And I don't know if you can make this out. Serial number there. First characters XK. The X stands for 77 and the K is November. So this thing was built in November 1977. I'm going to pop the cover off, take a look at the inside. Here's the inside of it. As you can see, it's very dusty. This thing's been sitting someplace for a while. There's power amp board down there. And the power supply. Just look at the bottom. So I'm going to take this thing outside and blow the dust out of it. I've got things cleaned up and it's looking a lot nicer. Yeah, that bulb doesn't look too good. That one just doesn't work. And I got some speakers hooked up to it and cassette playing right now. So it's looking good. I'm picking up FM stereo there. I don't even have an antenna hooked up. And I will get some AM.
This will be a 7th pitch seen in this at bat, yes.
So I'm going to dig in a little deeper, clean it up a little more. I took the knobs off, got this face plate off. This is part of the framework. You can still see all the dust in there. And let me get to this tone board here. And let's see here. I did replace these caps. These smaller caps down here I replaced with film caps. And this pod here, it locked up on me one turn. I got it apart right now. Move the camera over here a little bit. There's the back cover I popped off. There's two little ball bearings right there. And this little copper piece right here. But I really don't know how to get it back together. But this pod here came out of a SX450. It's a 100K pod like this one. It just doesn't have that clicking action that's in there. And I'm probably never going to get that one back together. This here is the power switch and the speaker switch. And it's kind of hard to see those contacts in there, but to let me get in there and clean them out nicely. I got this plate to come loose, and it really just came out enough. Let me get some cleaning in there. Oh, let's see, this one over here is the balance, and this one's the volume. But let me have half of a chance getting some cleaning fluid in there. I got my meters hooked up to the power amp, checking the idle current, and I've been letting it sit on about 20-25 minutes now. And it's sitting at 34 millivolts and 33 millivolts. The book wanted 30 millivolts. I'm not going to touch it. Looks good just the way it is. I replaced these lights. Use these LEDs in there. So they should last a long time. I got things back together. Front panel looks good. I got my dummy loads over there hooked up to it. A couple meters set to AC. Read the voltage output, and got my function generator and the scope hooked up. And right now I'm going to turn the volume up all the way. It's volume up all the way. It's not clipping. And I'm running just about 21 volts. 21 volts will be about 55 watts. So that's looking good. Putting a square wave through it right now. And it's looking good. That's with the tone control off. Tone control on. Let's turn the bass down. And the bass up. That's looking good. That's the treble all the way down. And the treble all the way up. And loudness on, loudness off. Everything's looking good there. I'm running a sweep going from 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz, and everything's looking good there. I got some speakers hooked up to it. Right now I'm on FM.
Pleasant the weather around here. Let's.
The sea level is rising.
And let's try some AM. I don't get much AM here, but I always get WLS.
In the larger picture, if that's the hit I have to take from Harvey, I could take that.
And I do have a record spinning. And I do have a tape going. So the stereo came out real nice. Thanks for watching the video.